Hey everyone, Darren with OBS Solutions. Let's talk about OBS Forwards, shall we? Let's say you own one of these OBS Forwards. Well, you're already the cool kid in the crowd, but you own an OBS Forward and it's got the sport style mirror on it. You don't want that. You want a swing lock style mirror. Well, a year ago we came out with what we call our Super Swing Lock. Now, what is a Super Swing Lock? It's a swing lock style mirror that we came up with. Uses a billet machined upper and lower mounts. Uses our style of bar, which what we kind of thought was cool, and stainless steel detent that's all serviceable. But this is where it gets spicy. We just came out with this product. What are we gonna call this, Kenny?
Sport Lock. I'm sorry. Super Sport Lock.
Why Super Sport Lock?
Because those are super swing locks.
And that would be a sport mirror.
Yeah.
So we're gonna call it the Super Sport. What is it?
Super Sport Lock.
All right, Super Sport Lock, whatever. Kenny came up with it. We're letting him have his day in the sun. And what it is, it's identical to this guy, but if you could tell, the mount's different. And that's right. The mount is different because it mimics the factory sport mirror mount. So much that you use the same gasket and it locks in place like so. Now, you're going to ask yourself, but I got to drill holes in my door for this guy. Well, you're right. You do. Came out with this, and this is a template that bolts the factory holes in the door. You lay it on the door like this, and it lets you locate where you're going to drill. You just center punch these two holes, pull it off there, drill them out. We also have a backing piece that goes inside the door, so that way that when you tighten it down, it doesn't crack out the paint. It's got something structural to hold together. One more thing, it comes with a black gasket to match the upper that's black. It's on the website, obssolutions.net. Check them out. Hope that helps you guys with your mirror identity stuff. Is that right, Kenny? Is that close enough? Something like that?
I think you got it, bud.
Thanks, guys.